two cable here, two cables. So this cable, this is a 3-meter cable, and this three cable here, 3-in-1 cable. So I insert it to my phone. As you can see here, it is okay, so it's
working.
Alright, so it's charging. As you can see here, it's charging, right? So if I will unplug the charger, okay, unplug it, unplug. Okay, so as you can see here, it is gone. So let's try this another cord, the 3-meter cord to the outlet. Okay, so same charger but different cord. So as you can see here, okay, push it. Alright, so it is really push, but it didn't work. So as you can see here, it is really defective, right?
It's lighting, so that electricity is there.
Alright, so it is lighting, right? But it doesn't charge. You kindly hold it. Okay, so I will try to push it again, or so as you can see here, it is really not functioning. So it shows that it is really defective. Alright, so thank you very much.